We at HCSS Group expertise in recruitment and executive search and are offering an excellent opportunity for finance officer with UK-based MNC, for maintenance engineer with French-based MNC, for assistant manager maintenance with Swiss-based MNC, for executive officer with UK-based MNC, for IT administrator with UK-based MNC, for senior engineer production with German-based MNC, for SPM leader with French-based MNC, for CFD expert with Swiss-based MNC, for key accounts manager and BDM with US-based MNC, for senior supply chain engineer with UK-based MNC, for tooling engineer with Swiss-based MNC, for deputy manager, costing with Spanish-based MNC, for assistant manager or deputy manager, sales with India-based MNC, for production manager with US-based MNC, for sales engineer with Swiss-based MNC, for senior engineer technical sales with German-based MNC, for CAD Works design engineer with Swiss-based MNC, for deputy manager robotics maintenance with Spanish-based MNC, for manager quality with Spanish-based MNC, for secondary design with Korean-based MNC, for site manager with Korean-based MNC, for Oracle consultant, SEM with US-based MNC, for engineer, IT systems, server and cloud with German-based MNC, for executive assistant to the managing director, for senior engineer product design with French-based MNC. Other than that, we have many more opportunities. We request you to share your resume with us through the scanner.